Let's talk about update our bot setup page. As for now, we add ability to set up different knowledge base for each of this messenger. For example, if we open Telegram, we can set up the knowledge base, for example, friendly chat. When we go to WhatsApp, we can save the another knowledge base. Each of these bots can have another knowledge base. For example, you need to provide for WhatsApp users specific information that's related only for WhatsApp. For example, for Instagram users, you need to provide another information. You can just create two different knowledge base, and there you need to choose which knowledge base will use this messenger. Also, remember that you can set up different prompt configuration for each of knowledge base on page ID setup there. On bot setup, we add some new custom chat. There you can just copy the script, paste on your HTML, and there will appear custom chat. I will show you how it will look like. This is HTML document of my website. So there I need to paste script from this page. Let's copy this one and we need to paste it into head. So before closing tag, let's go back, copy this one, and at this writing I need to paste on the body. Let's go to the body and paste it there. Go back and the last one script, last one on the body, and we will paste it there. So that's all. So now when I open my website, I will see this chat icon. Let's see, it's saved human resource Chroma. And let's try to write hi. And we get response in Ukrainian language. Let's try to change it to another, for example, UB support. This always answer on English as I set up on IE setup page prompt configuration. And it's work. It's really easy to add your custom chat on your website.